Yeah, I can fly.
In the middle of the Long Island Sound, surrounded by cold water and restless skies, stands one of New York's most ominously named landmarks, Execution Rocks. The name dates back centuries, long before the lighthouse itself. According to legend, prisoners, and perhaps even pirates, were chained to these rocks at low tide, left to face the rising waters alone. Whether every detail is true, or shaped by maritime folklore, the name endured. And even today, it carries a weight that feels impossible to ignore. Because out here, there was nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. In 1850, this lighthouse was built to protect ships navigating the dangerous shoals of the Sound. Before radar, before GPS, before modern navigation, sailors depended on this light to survive the darkness. But someone had to keep it burning. Lighthouse keepers lived here, surrounded by water in every direction. Storms in winter, fog in summer, isolation year-round. Supplies came by boat. Conversation was rare. The horizon never changed. On days like this, when the sky turns steel gray and the Sound feels endless, it's easy to imagine what that solitude must have felt like. The wind, the waves, the silence between them. A structure built for protection, standing on a place named for punishment. Over time, technology replaced the keepers. The light was automated, and like many historic structures, it began to weather both storms and neglect. But it never disappeared. Restoration efforts brought new life to the stone walls. A reminder that even isolated places still matter. Alone in the water, beneath shifting skies, Execution Rocks still stands. A warning, a memory, a survivor of centuries. And in the middle of the Sound, it keeps its quiet watch.